Remember that save jar we talked about in the last video? The one where you put 40% of your money? I told you something cool about it. I said that money can actually grow on its own if you put it in the right place. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how that works. And trust me, once you see this, you're going to want to start saving immediately. It's called compound interest, and it's the closest thing to magic that exists with money. Here's what most kids do with their save jar. They put money in. It sits there, and that's it. If you save $10 a week for a year, you'll have $520 at the end. That's great! You worked hard, you saved, you have money. But here's the thing. That money just sat there doing nothing. It didn't work for you. It didn't grow. It just existed. What if I told you there's a way to make that same $10 a week turn into way more money without you doing any extra work? That's what we're talking about today. Making your money work for you instead of just sitting there. Compound interest is when your money makes money, and then that new money makes even more money. And it keeps going and going like a snowball rolling down a hill. Here's a simple example. Let's say you put $100 into a special account that gives you 10% interest every year. After 1 year, you don't just have $100 anymore. You have $110. You earned $10 just for keeping your money there. Okay, cool. Free $10. But here's where it gets interesting. In year 2, you don't earn 10% on $100. You earn 10% on $110. So now you get $11, and your total is $121. Year 3, you earn 10% on $121. That's $12.10. Now you have $133.10. See what's happening? Your money is making money. And that money is making more money. It's growing faster and faster. That's compound interest. Now, here's where this gets really crazy. The longer you let compound interest work, the more powerful it becomes. Let's say you're 9 years old right now, and you decide to save $10 every week. If you invest that $10 every week and let it grow at 10% per year, which is what the stock market has averaged over the last 100 years, by the time you're 65, you'll have almost $1.8 million. Yeah, $1.8 million. Now let's say you wait. You don't start saving until you're 18, maybe after high school. You save the exact same amount, $10 a week. Same growth rate, same everything. By age 65, you'll have about $690,000. That's a difference of over $1 million, just because you started 9 years earlier. Here's the wild part. By starting at 9 instead of 18, you only put in about $5,000 more of your own money. $5,000 turned into $1 million more, just because of time and compound interest. The money you invest in those first 9 years ends up being worth more than everything you invest in the next 47 years. That's why starting early is everything. Now you're probably wondering, okay, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually do this? Where do I put my money to make this happen? That's exactly what we're going to cover in part 2. I'm going to show you the actual accounts you can open, what to invest in, and the risks you need to know about. If you want to learn how to actually make your save jar grow, watch part 2 right now. I'll see you there.